Saturday the 24th. This is outside the Hall 5, I think it was, at the NEC, where at the bike show. Now it's gone 5 o'clock, and we were all kicked out, but anyone who had the special invitation lanyard to go back in and collect their Shoei Pete Hickman replica Trooper helmet was told to line up in this designated area, and that's what we did. Very patiently waiting to be let back in. Come 6 o'clock we were let back in, and then we all made our way over to the Ferry Dax Shoei stand. As you can see, it's pretty swamped. 666 helmets there, it's limited to. I think they didn't sell out completely. There are still some available, but there was a lot of people there, 400 or 500 people. And as you can see, we're all patiently waiting and getting in line to receive our respective helmets. Behind the counter is all the guys from Ferry Dax, and of course the great Pete Hickman as well. He's there greeting everybody, and I think the intention was to sign each helmet and box as well for everybody, which is a really great gesture. And then, as an extra bonus, who should walk onto the stand with a round of applause but the lead singer of Iron Maiden, Bruce Dickinson. The guys managed to get hold of Mr. Dickinson there to come and sign some lids as well, and do some meet and greet, which was absolutely fantastic. Personal hero of mine, and no doubt a lot of other people as well. So that was awesome. And if you were really lucky, you got Bruce to sign some memorabilia for you as well. So that was amazing. Now, fortunately for me, lucky me, because I know the guys at Ferry Dax and Steve Clifford particularly, I was able to sneak in behind the queues and just got Pete Hickman to sign it for me there. It was really nice of him. That was the first actual helmet he'd signed. Signed loads of outer boxes, but no actual helmets. And then, of course, I went to Mr. Dickinson as well, and he very gladly signed the helmet for me as well, which was absolutely fantastic. But it's a limited edition, and it's well worth its money because there's loads of extras as well, which you got with the helmet. And I shall show you what's in there right now. Hi, Chris from JNS. Earlier in the year, I needed a new helmet, and I really like the Shoei's, the X-Spirit. I've got X-Spirit 1s, 2s, and I really wanted an X-Spirit 3, but none of the designs were really jumping out at me. Then, the middle of this year, I heard there was going to be quite a special X-Spirit, limited edition, Trooper beer helmet, the Pete Hickman replica. Of course, it's sponsored by Trooper Beer. And I'm a big Iron Maiden fan. I always have been since I was a kid, so really like the graphics. And I thought that's going to be the lift for me, definitely. But it's a little bit different to get hold of as well. You couldn't get it through your normal retailer. You can't buy them through Ferry Dax, the importer of Shoei in the UK. And it's exclusive to Peter Hickman's website only. So you had to go on to Pete's website and order it. And of course it's a limited edition of 666. So I did that, placed that order earlier in the year, and then I got a note through that there was going to be a launch at the bike show on the Shoei stand, organised by Ferry Dax, on the Saturday, last Saturday, just gone the 24th, after hours, a sort of after hours party launch of the helmets, so that anybody who'd ordered one could collect it from there if they were free. And you got the invite through the post, of course, which I did, and of course a number of other people did as well. And this is the helmet here, which I'm dead excited about and I've been waiting for ages, and I think it's fantastic. So I'm going to take you through the unboxing and show you exactly what's in there. Okay, so here's the unboxing of my Pete Hickman Shoei X-Spirit 3 Trooper replica helmet that I picked up on last Saturday night at the bike show, the NEC. Opening it up, I'll show you what's inside. Few different little extras here. First of all, you get the Robinson's Beer Trooper beer mat, which is very cool. TT, obviously, TT Trooper. And then there's the bottle holder as well, which is quite smart. I managed to get signed as well. I thought I'd get that signed as well by Pete Hickman. And the lead singer of Iron Maiden was there as well, Bruce Dickinson. So I got him to sign that as well, which is awesome. And then there's also a glass, beer glass there as well. And inside, of course, this is what we're all waiting for. This is the thing. This is what I was really giddy about. There's the pin lock, of course, which comes with it. Inside there. Let's pull that out. There we go. And this is the helmet itself. It's so light. You can hardly feel it's there. And there it is. Shoei. Spirit 3 Trooper. Awesome. Managed to get Peter to sign that for me as well. Just on the matte black at the top there. And then I asked Mr. Dickinson if he'd just put his signature across the Trooper piece there as well. It was in gold, so you can't see it quite as well, but I wanted it across the Trooper, his signature anyway. And there it is, fantastic lid. And I'm undecided at the minute as to whether I should wear it or not. I mean, helmets are for wearing, and I had every intention of wearing it, but everyone's telling me, don't wear it, but it's to wear it, don't you? So I think its inaugural run out will be at Oakmere next February when I'm there with my ZX10. I've got 4 days there on track, so looking forward to that. And I'll be very surprised if I don't wear this particular lid, because it is fantastic. Limited edition, number 438. Got a little sticker on the back there. And as I said, they are limited to 666. Yeah, superb. Really excited. Best helmet in the world. So excited about it. It's just fantastic. And I'm so lucky to get one. Superb. And inside here as well, I believe, there's a couple of little extras. Alright, okay. There's the Trooper poster. That one there, that's pretty cool. A Trooper sticker, Trooper beer sticker. Robinson's Brewery, just locally in Stockport. And lanyard, I think this is. I think it's going to be a lanyard. Looks like a lanyard. Yep, there we go. Trooper lanyard as well with a bottle opener on the end of it. Brilliant. Fantastic, love it.
I've got it out already.
Either side, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah, wherever you
either on there or along there. Hey, you've got the pleasure of the first one I've signed. There you go, it's the first one I've signed. Alright. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Very sorry to mind you. Throw it on there, could you? Fantastic, awesome. Thank you. Okay, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stuff from JNS.